Horses only have Doña Chichay galloping goes by the crowd for the lead. Happy Julian in third, Etna in fourth. Iikot lang in fifth position, Caraga Wonder heavyweight. Hot Rod Horse and Ayuda is the early trailer. Doña Chichay galloping goes, now moving up on the outside. Etna
Sa tagpong
alongside
ito,
and
si
followed
Galloping Goes ang may dala ng unahan,
Iikot lang,
habang nasa
Galloping
pangalawang
Goes,
pwesto
the leader by
si
Hapaling.
Doña
Etna on the
Chichay.
outside and in third, Doña Chichay. Happy Julian in fourth position, then followed by Iikot lang. Now we have Etna takes the lead, Galloping Goes in second, Doña Chichay is running by the third, and in fourth, Ayuda, then followed by Heavyweight. Etna this time by about 2.5 lengths, Galloping Goes still in second, Doña Chichay still in third, Ayuda in fourth. Here comes Heavyweight, Erestel, Etna, Galloping Goes, Doña Chichay, Ayuda. Etna still the leader, Galloping Goes, Doña Chichay, Heavyweight. This time Galloping Goes, Etna, Doña Chichay, Heavyweight, Ayuda as the field turns for Roma. Galloping Goes, Doña Chichay, Heavyweight. Doña Chichay,
Pagdating sa home
Galloping Goes,
stretch,
Heavyweight is
nakakuha
on the
ni
outside.
Doña Chichay
It's now
ang
Doña
unahan sa
Chichay,
balya habang
Heavyweight
nasa
on the
gitna.
outside. Ayuda,
Si
Doña Chichay,
Heavyweight nagpaparemate at sa labas naman si Ayuda.
Doña Chichay, Ayuda now.
At pagdating sa last 50 meters, ayun nga, lumagpas si Ayuda, segunda si Doña Chichay at tercera si Heavyweight.
Heavyweight 7, iikot lang.
Alright, crossing the wire first. That's number 2, Ayuda, nirenda ni Mort M. Gonzalez. Then masisigunto yung 5 Doña Chichay, tapos 9 Heavyweight.